Alright, in this problem we have Velcroman, who is hovering motionless in space, and he's about to be hit by the evil fuzzy villain, who is flying at 12 meters per second before the collision. After they collide, they are going to stick together, of course. They give us the mass of Fuzzy, who has a mass of 125 kilograms. And they give us the mass of Velcroman, 79.3 kilograms. What is their velocity after the collision? Well, this is inelastic. How do I know? Because we have two objects that are apart beforehand, and then afterward, they're going to be one big object. So you look for an equation that kind of looks like that. Which of the equations looks like that? Well, m1v1 plus m2v2 equals, and now they're one big mass afterwards, so m1 plus m2, and they're going to share a velocity together. So we're going to plug things in. So let's just call this guy 1, this guy 2. So m1, 79.3, v1 was originally 0, so that whole thing's going to be 0, plus m2 was 125, it says mass, and the original velocity was 12, equals, afterward they're one big thing, so 79.3 plus 125, and they share the velocity, and that is what we're trying to solve for. So on this side we're going to have 125 times 12. Okay, so we get 1500 over here equals 79.3 plus 125. We get 204.3, and they share velocity afterward. So the velocity afterward is 7.3 meters per second, and so that's our velocity.